You've just unboxed your brand new Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 6, the sleekest and most powerful foldable on the market. But then, reality sets in. A single drop could turn your investment into a costly regret. That's why finding the right case is essential. In this video, we'll explore the 5 best rugged cases that not only protect your Flip 6 from the inevitable bumps and drops, but also add a touch of personality to your daily carry. Let's dive into the best options to armor up your flip phone. Looking for a case that combines rugged protection with a sleek, minimalist design? Meet the Urban Armor Gear Plyo Pro for the Galaxy Z Flip 6. This case is not just about looks, it's engineered for durability. With a clear, lightweight design, it showcases your phone while offering serious drop protection. Its military-grade shock resistance means it's been tested to handle tough impacts, making it a reliable choice for anyone prone to drops. But it's not just about durability. The Plyo Pro features an anti-yellowing coating to keep it looking fresh and a built-in magnet for seamless MagSafe wireless charging. The Featherlight PC backplate and TPU shock-absorbing frame ensure that your device stays safe without adding bulk. Its minimalist design doesn't just look good. It offers practical protection with a raised screen perimeter and camera bezel. Plus, the oversized tactile buttons provide a satisfying click, and the open hinge design ensures you can access every feature of your device. Whether you're protecting your phone from daily bumps or simply want a stylish case that doesn't compromise on durability, the UAG Plyo Pro is a standout choice. For those who live a little recklessly or just want the best protection, the OtterBox Defender Series XT for the Galaxy Z Flip 6 is your ultimate safeguard. This case is built like a fortress with its rugged exterior and military-standard drop protection, so you can trust it to handle life's tumbles and drops. The Defender XT isn't just about brute strength, it's designed with precision. Its rugged exterior and soft grip edges ensure your phone withstands shocks while feeling secure in your hand. Full hinge protection is a standout feature, giving you confidence that even the most vulnerable parts of your device are safe. But this case does more than just shield your phone. A versatile 4-position stand allows for comfortable typing, media viewing, and landscape streaming. It also includes Apple Pencil storage and dual lanyard attachment points, adding convenience to its formidable protection. With this case, you get rugged durability and thoughtful functionality, making it the perfect choice for those who demand both style and strength in their phone protection. If you're navigating rugged job sites or exploring the great outdoors, the Supcase Unicorn Beetle Pro for the Galaxy Z Flip 6 is your go-to gear. This case is built like a tank, offering unparalleled protection with its thick polycarbonate body and military-standard drop defense. Whether you're facing accidental drops or harsh environments, the Unicorn Beetle Pro has got you covered. Available in vibrant colors, this case stands out not only for its durability, but also for its functionality. It features a built-in screen protector that guards against scratches while maintaining touch sensitivity. The pop-out kickstand doubles as a ring holder, providing a versatile viewing experience from a 56-degree angle, and the detachable rotating holster makes it easy to carry on your belt or strap. Despite its robust design, the Unicorn Beetle Pro delivers 20-foot drop protection and unique hinge protection technology, making it perfect for anyone who needs their phone to survive the harshest conditions. While the lightweight design and detachable holster make it versatile for both office use and outdoor adventures. For those demanding the ultimate in rugged protection and utility, the Supcase Unicorn Beetle Pro is a powerhouse choice. Meet the iBlason-Journey for the Galaxy Z Flip 6, a case that looks like it means business, combining style with rugged protection. This case stands out with a design that resembles a futuristic power bank or a secure vault, combining tough aesthetics with unparalleled functionality. This full-body armor box case doesn't just safeguard your phone. It's built with military-grade toughness to handle drops, dust, and dirt. Constructed from durable TPU and polycarbonate, it provides 360-degree protection while preserving the sleek design of your device. The thick hinge protection ensures smooth folding and long-lasting durability, so your phone's delicate hinge remains safe even under the toughest conditions. One of the standout features is the nifty kickstand, perfect for hands-free video calls or media viewing. Plus, the included belt clip holster offers convenient carrying options whether you're on the go or taking it easy. The case's raised bezels protect your screen and camera lens from scratches, while the precise fit allows easy access to all ports and buttons. For those who want top-tier protection with a touch of futuristic flair, the iBlason-Journey is a standout choice. Lastly, we have the Caseology Parallax for the Galaxy Z Flip 6, a case that combines rugged protection with a dash of style. This case features the iconic parallax design on the lower half, known for its eye-catching 3D pattern that not only looks stylish, but also enhances your grip. Crafted from durable polycarbonate and thermoplastic polyurethane, the parallax is built to withstand everyday wear and tear while protecting your phone's camera lenses and cover display edges. The textured TPU grip ensures your phone stays secure, even when your hands are wet or slippery. One standout feature is the adhesive strip that attaches the case to your phone for added security, along with an extra set included in the box for peace of mind. Available in stylish colors like ash gray, purplish, and sage green, the Parallax case marries form and function effortlessly. Its slim profile maintains your phone's sleek design, while the 3D pattern offers a comfortable, ergonomic grip. For a case that delivers both style and substance, the Caseology Parallax is a top contender. That's a wrap on the 5 best rugged cases for the Galaxy Z Flip 6. Which case would you choose to protect your phone? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching our video. Like and share with your friends if you find this video helpful. Subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.